Okay, it's official. We're going to be taking shots here this afternoon.
Yeah.
Those shots are going to go
20
straight
mil?
right into my feeding tube.
Just a
There's
minute.
my feeding tube.
Gotta test it.
Uh-oh, where's my tube?
There it is.
Here's my tube. Open.
Oops.
That's the sterile part?
Yeah, that's the sterile part. Don't tell the nurse. Okay.
Where the hell is the syringe? That 50 milliliter syringe.
It's got to be in here somewhere.
God damn it.
This is not it. Where'd we go? We'll just okay.
That's
Some of that. We're on the Brat diet. So we got a little rice that goes in there, and Brat bread, or what's the B for? What's the B stand for? Hey, yeah, it must be applesauce. Applesauce. It's bread. I can't remember. Anyway, a little applesauce in there. I think we need an egg, right? Put that in there. Here's the top. Okay. Oh yeah. Got a little more of this. That's looking good. Okay. Bring the syringe over here. Let me get rid of this since it's restricting my diet. Okay. Now we're gonna put a little of this into our bag. Okay. Just wrap this around. Just a minute. You got the saw ready? Okay. Now we got the egg and the brat. Get that in there. Yeah, we got. That's about enough. Oh, here's the sterile water. Okay, that's enough of that. Oh yeah. This is cleanse, man. That's what the instructions say. Ah, God. Okay, cram that down in here. Yeah, you need a little air. All right. Okay, shove that in there.
Yeah. Okay, we're taking shots here.
Yeah, we're taking